Hey guys, this is Malavika and here is a step-by-step guide on applying to U.S. schools. Abiding by the timeline for a university application is a very complicated process. So here is a step-by-step guide to apply to the college of your dreams. Step 1. Plan well in advance while applying to U.S. schools. We recommend you start planning your research at least 1 year in advance. Apply to at least 5 schools to increase your chances of getting admitted. Apply to 2 dream schools where it is slightly difficult for you to get in, 2 within reach schools where you stand a good chance of getting into, and 1 safe school where you will definitely get accepted into. Step 2. Complete admission tests and get your scores ready. Generally, for students who want to pursue a master's in Science GRE is the best option, while MBA courses require students to give their GMAT exam. Top-tier schools require a 700 plus GMAT and a 320 plus GRE score. You must keep in mind to prepare for your exams for at least 2 to 3 months and get your results at least 11 months in advance. Step 3. Create a resume and get your letter of recommendation. While writing your resume, make sure to do the following, such as highlighting achievements, writing information that is true, and mentioning your skill set. Another important criteria is to have at least 3 letters of recommendation to get into a good school. People that you could request an LOR from are an immediate boss, an influential mentor, or even a successful professor you've worked with. Step 4. Submit your application and look for scholarships. Before you submit your application, go through the entire application form once again to make sure that you haven't made any mistakes. On submitting the application, check for a confirmation email from the school stating that they received your application. You should also contact the financial aid department to know about the scholarships they provide and if your profile makes you eligible for them. Step 5. Monitor your application and apply for student loans. On acceptance into a university, check for the loans that you can avail. Banks generally require an I-20 form, which is a form issued by educational institutions in the United States to prospective students from outside the US. Most student loans also require you to provide a collateral against the loan issued. Step 6. Apply for your visa and book your tickets. All you need to do is get your paperwork in order, apply for an F1 visa, and book an appointment. A not so fun fact: only about 40% of the students who apply for a visa get one. Check out our video interview tool to train yourself for your upcoming visa interview. That sums it up. Want to know more about the process of studying abroad? Check out the blog that tells you all about it. Looking for help with overseas education process? Reach out to ischoolconnect.com for more information to explore, apply, and fly to your dream university abroad.